welcome back to my channel.
And a happy new year and a happy holidays to everybody. Welcome back.
Happy holidays. We hope you guys had a great time. I know we did.
We'll talk about OCD.
A little bit.
Okay, moving on. We have a box.
We have our favorite Tokyo Treats box, so we wanted to unbox it with you guys.
I like candy, open it up. Actually, I like chips, I don't like candy.
So this is the box for January. We have a lot of goodies, as you can tell, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, first up, we have this, which is called a Pandora. If you can read.
Have a little bit break over the New Year's period with a hot drink and these cute and buttery, chunky panda-shaped cookies.
We don't have a hot drink with us, but that's okay.
I have cookies, I'm happy.
Yeah, we're gonna try it. Oh, this is so
It's
adorable! Oh my god, it's a panda. Oh, I wish our friend Ed was here because he's obsessed with panda. Oh my god, this smells so good. You know what this tastes like? When you go to grandma's house and she like pulls out candy from her pocket.
Tastes like a really good graham cracker.
Mm-hmm. Okay. What should we do next?
Pick one.
Okay. Next we have Pocky. I love Pocky. We've tried different versions of Pocky. This one is chocolate.
Chocolate ganache.
Let's try it.
Oh no, it's not stuck together. I thought it was stuck together.
Ugh, I would hate that.
I hate it when the chocolate melts and gets all stuck together. It drives me crazy.
Drives me insane.
Here's a stick for you.
Thank you. Cheers.
Cheers. Pokey stick. Cheers.
I had the marshmallow in the middle of the chocolate. They taste so good.
I don't know if you guys can see, but like how thick that chocolate actually is around it. That's a lot of chocolate.
10 out of 10. Okay, up next we have this, which is...
I can't see the picture.
Oh, here.
Oh. That is Tayarare.
Which
Tayarare. The sea brims through with a good look. Japanese crunchy bite-sized crackers. I love seafood overall.
This tastes like shrimp. And it looks like a fish.
This is like the what is it? The golden fish. The cheese.
Yeah, the
fish.
Japanese version of the goldfish.
There we go.
Actually, yeah. Okay, up next we have this.
And that would be some more wishing cookie. It's a New Year's luck bubble teriyaki. Bubbly teriyaki.
Oh, remember this fish from last time? Okay, last time,
There was a watermelon one. I remember the watermelon one. That one was my favorite. The watermelon kiwi, I think it was. That one was bomb.
It has chocolate in the middle. I'm gonna split this in half.
Maybe you should just bite it. Or not.
You know, cookies. Okay, you can have that.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
That was bomb.
It's like waffle. Sorry.
This is like the snacks for like the beginning of the year. It's gonna be a good year. Can't be worse than 2021.
Baby, that's what we said about 2020. Remember when we rang in the new year? We were together and we were like, oh my god, 2020, this is gonna be our year. It's gonna be fabulous. I mean, it was pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. We had a lot of fun in 2020. We got married.
For us, it was fantastic. I mean, for me, it was pretty good overall.
It was okay.
Besides all the quarantines, this, that, everything else.
Yeah,
outside.
Hopefully 2021 will be better for all of us.
How about, but inside the house is pretty good. Pick a snack.
Yeah, hopefully 2020 will be better for our mental health. Let's say that. Okay, so up next we have a drink.
It is actually Fanta.
Oh.
Yes.
That's cool.
Premium peach. Japanese Fanta.
Okay, you want to open it?
Yes. I like Fanta. Look at the logo of the Japanese Fanta.
Yeah, it's so much different than what we have. Mm-hmm.
Oh, it smells so good.
I'm actually okay.
It's delicious.
I'm okay. Thank you.
Okay. You don't like peach?
I'm gonna pass on that, but you can tell our audience what it tasted like.
Tastes like soda. As you can tell, I'm not really a big soda drinker, so... But it tastes good. I mean...
Okay.
I drink mostly water.
Next, we have this, which is the Pikachu...
That was the Koala's March X Pokemon Cheesecake flavor.
Pokemon Cheesecake flavor. Cool. Let's open it. I just love opening packages. So satisfying. That is so cool. They have different Pokemons on all of them.
Which one is that one?
This one is Eevee?
That is the little ghost Pokemon. I don't really know.
No, it looks like Eevee.
See, with like the Pokemon of like the original generation, I know those, but like the newer ones, definitely do not know.
It tastes like crackers and butter inside the crackers with a bit of chocolate.
That is a good cheesecake, I can tell you that. Oh, there's a lot of butter.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the butter just hit me after.
It has a very buttery aftertaste. Definitely. Okay.
Amazing snack.
What should we try next? You pick one.
Let's do this.
Okay. So this is what we have next, and this is
Aji cheese.
Aji cheese. Okay,
yes.
Let's try it. Okay, so here you go, my love. What does it taste like?
Strangely, not cheese. Now it tastes like cheese.
There's a cheesy aftertaste.
Big time. But like during the entire...
Yeah, there's definitely an aftertaste.
It's like after you eat it and then you swallow it, then all of a sudden the cheese just like punches you in the face. Okay,
let's try these.
Candy.
And these are, it says mochito on it. They're little mochis. They're called mochitos.
Mochitos. I like hot Cheetos.
Ooh, they're so soft. Look at that. Ooh. Jiggle, 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 jiggle. Mmm.
That is the fluffiest thing I've ever had.
They're so fresh. That was so good. Okay, we have to go to Japan, babe. We have to go to Japan. Okay, next let's do this little burger thing. So this looks like a little burger.
You know those like Krabby Patty gummies that they sell over here?
Kind of looks like that too. Ah! No! Okay, I'll have a slice.
You know I don't like my taste on mine.
I know, I took the veggies.
Tastes just like the Krabby Patty one you can buy over here.
Yeah, that was the same. Okay, next.
A little extra sugar on it too.
We have this Coca-Cola little bottle. Oh, I just ruined the bottle. Oopsies. It used to be a Coca-Cola bottle. Okay, I'll take a bite.
Don't they sell these here too?
I don't know.
Oh.
I've seen it in Vegas. I think they do.
100%. You know, like those candy stores where you like kind of get your own. They give you like a bag. What they used to. So cool.
What is this? Next we have this.
Takata crackers.
Which are Takata crackers. I have no idea what that is.
Crunchy Japanese crackers are loved year after year in Japan. That's it. That's all it says.
Japanese crackers. You did the honors. That was very zesty.
I love it.
Oh my god, look at this cute little heart. Aww.
I didn't even know they were in shapes.
Yeah, there's different shapes.
What is that supposed to be?
This is really good.
I love this.
It tastes a bit like crackers, but with lemon on it. Okay, next. Oh, babe, let's try this one. It's the one with the cat. Look, it has a little cool cat on it.
These are salty turtle crackers.
Ooh.
These
We're
are
about to
so
taste
good.
turtles.
This,
Oh, they're shaped like turtles. They're so cute. I don't know if you guys can tell, but they're like little turtles. This is also really good. It smells like onions though, like a lot.
I feel like
of
we should have
onions.
kept this one for last because this one was wow.
Which one is that?
The zesty one.
The zesty
The
one was
Takata
really good.
crackers. Oh my god. I need to order some.
Babe, look, this one also has a cat on it. So we're gonna try this next. And this also has a cat on it, and this is
That is quite fried potato. Sorry.
potatoes. Oh, they're potato chips. I'm having a bit difficulty opening this today. Oh.
They are seaweed salt chips.
Seaweed salted chips.
Now she does not like seaweed that much, but I love seaweed.
I don't like seaweed, but I'm gonna try this because I want to know what it tastes like. Because they're potato chips, right?
Mm-hmm. Tastes exactly like seaweed.
Yeah. Okay, you can have this.
Perks of liking more things than she does.
I'm really picky. Okay, next is this. This has the little dogs on them. How cute is this? And this is
The little dog one.
mochi taro. This is very interesting. They look like little doggies.
It tastes tasteless.
Oh my god, I fell.
Do you taste anything out of this?
No.
It
It's
tastes.
just like puff. It doesn't really have flavor. Maybe we
It has
just
no
ate
taste.
too many things that... Oh, it's salty. I taste salt.
I still taste nothing. I don't like sugar. I like salt.
Okay, next, we have this.
Oh,
These just look like sticks.
is that the mini thing? No, those are just some sort of sticks.
Oh, they're literally sticks. They're chocolate sticks.
They are brown sugar sticks.
Oh, they're brown sugar sticks. Never mind. They smell like sugar.
They do not taste like sugar, but they're good.
They definitely don't taste like sugar. Oh, you know what this kind of reminds me of? You know those sugar sticks where you put in your tea and then it like slowly melts into your tea? I'm gonna try this with tea. I feel like it'll be like really good. Okay. And then we have this. Cute little animal.
Mini Monster Fruity Soft Candy.
Aw, mini monsters. They're adorable.
It's like a animated version of Fruit Roll-Ups. I mean, not Airheads. Airheads. There we go.
Hold on, it didn't come out.
There we go.
Oh,
Just
no.
do it.
I wanted it to be even.
Do it.
I'm sorry. Here you go.
Just do it.
Take this. Take it. Okay, there you go. Do you want the better half? I feel like
Just
I
eat
messed up,
it.
so I should take that.
Eat it.
Okay. Mmm. This
Definitely
tastes
not
like
Airheads.
this tastes like the what is it called? The sour
The sour strips.
sour strips. Yeah.
Good.
Mmm. 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 And then last but not least,
Kit Kats.
I think you're gonna like this flavor, Koch.
The flavor
You
is
know what flavor
Hot
it is?
Springs
It's
dumplings?
Hot Springs. Yeah. Look.
What?
Dumplings flavor Kit Kat. I'm so excited for this. I think you're gonna like this.
I am so confused about this. Dumplings are dumplings.
Here you go.
I don't know about Kit Kat dumplings.
Kit Kat dumplings. If you guys didn't know, he loves dumplings, buns.
Like once
anything
every
in
2
that.
weeks, I have myself a giant meal of just dumplings. Nothing else. Nothing
He
else
just
is allowed
loves
inside
it
this
so
house.
much. Why am I always having difficulty opening these?
I mean, these could be considered like a sugar dumpling, I guess.
It has a strange taste. You know what it tastes like? Cooked meat, like wrapped in white chocolate.
Yeah, I think it's the white chocolate that like really threw me off, but it's not bad. I could eat that.
If they can make waffle,
after my dumpling meals, I could just have Kit Kat
if they
dumplings.
can make waffle taste like that, wow! It literally tastes like meat wrapped around like boiled meat wrapped around white chocolate.
Should we give like a winner this month of like which one we like the most?
Honestly, this is hands down my favorite.
What? These zesty cookie things, the Takata crackers, these were bomb. I mean, don't get me wrong, the Poke was good too, but like this is wow.
I think this is it for me. I love marshmallows, and I'm gonna put this in my hot chocolate. Anyways, we are done with our box. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you guys have a great year.
Happy New Year. Don't forget to set some goals and push forward, and we will be eating more candy.
Yeah, we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Take care. Nom 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 nom.